Are the reminders not syncing correctly on your Mac after updating to macOS Tahoe? Don't worry, I will show straightforward solutions to fix it. So, let's jump right in. Please make sure your Mac and other devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. Also, check and update your Apple devices to the latest software version. If your reminder app is blank or doesn't sync any lists or reminders, follow the first solution. Check Internet and iCloud status. Ensure your Mac is connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. Then, launch the Safari browser and visit the Apple System status page. Check if any issues are triggered. The second solution is to restart your devices. Go to the Apple menu and select Restart. Click Restart to confirm. Wait for the restart process to complete. Then, turn your Mac back on. Now, launch the Reminder app and wait for a moment until it checks for pending tasks to sync and show up. Also, restart all devices that are signed in with the same Apple ID. Now, let's move to the third solution, toggle reminders off and on. Go to the Apple menu in the top left corner. Select System Settings. Now, click on Internet Accounts and select iCloud. Now, click on See All next to save to iCloud. Then, check if the toggle next to Reminders is enabled to sync with iCloud. Turn off the toggle next to Reminders. Wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on again. If you disabled the reminder for Microsoft Exchange, it may not sync with your device. So go back to your Internet accounts, select Exchange account, and turn on the toggle next to Reminders. Wait for a few seconds for the sync to complete, then reopen the Reminder app. Check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, follow the fourth solution, force quit and relaunch Reminders. Launch the Reminder app on your Mac. Go to the Reminders menu at the top and click on it. Select Quit Reminders or press the Command Q keys on your Mac keyboard to force quit the reminders. Now, relaunch the reminders from the Mac Dock or Spotlight search and check whether the reminders data is synced. If your Mac storage is full, it may stop reminders from syncing properly. Therefore, follow the fifth solution. Check and free up storage space. Go to the Apple menu at the top. Select System Settings. Under the General section, click on Storage Space. If your Mac storage is nearly full, open the Documents folder and delete large files, old downloads, and duplicate files you no longer need. Additionally, delete any third-party apps. At last, empty the trash. Then, check if the reminders are syncing. Sometimes, the problem may occur due to account-related issues, so follow the sixth solution. Sign out and sign back in to iCloud. Before following this solution, take a backup of essential data. Then, navigate to the Apple menu at the top left corner, select System Settings, go to Apple ID name at the top, and scroll to the bottom. Click on the Sign Out button. A pop-up may appear on your Mac screen, asking you to keep a copy of your iCloud data on your Mac before signing out. So check the options and select Keep a Copy. Afterward, restart your Mac. To do so, go to the Apple menu, select Restart, and then confirm the restart. Wait for the restart process to complete. Then, sign back in to your iCloud account. Solution 7 is to check reminders on the iCloud web. Launch the Safari browser and navigate to the iCloud.com website. Sign in with your Apple account and select Reminders. If you have enabled Touch ID, just put your finger on the Touch or Power button to continue with Touch ID and log in with your Apple ID. Wait for a few seconds to complete the sign-in process. Now click on the Reminders section and select the Add List option. Rename the new list and hit the Done button. Then, add the reminder list data. Now, close the Safari browser and launch the Reminder app. Verify that the latest reminders have been uploaded to iCloud. If not, then there might be a problem with your Mac or iPhone. The next solution is to delete completed or overdue reminders. Open the Reminder app on your Mac. Then, check for completed and overdue reminders. Please delete the old completed reminders. If new reminders are not downloading, follow the ninth solution. Check Date and Time Settings. Go to the Apple menu at the top, click System Settings. In the General section, click on Date and Time. Ensure that the toggle next to Set Time and Date Automatically is enabled. That's it. If you're not receiving reminder notifications, check Focus or DND mode. Look for the crescent moon icon on your Mac menu bar. If it is available, that means the focus mode is active on your Mac. so we need to disable it from the Control Center or System Settings. Go to the Apple menu and select System Settings. Scroll the left side panel and click on Focus. Check and delete if you have scheduled any focus modes. Also check other kinds of focus modes and click on the Delete Focus button. A confirmation screen appears here. Select the Delete Focus option. Repeat the same steps and delete other active or scheduled focus modes. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.